Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying eligibility. Check Apple Care, warranty dates, and the device serial number so the claim is valid. Next, capture evidence, screenshots and screen recordings showing Siri failing, plus timestamps and exact phrases you used. Also log the user impact, describe lost work, extra costs, or repeated failures and list the dates. Once done, save this package in a single folder and prepare your Apple ID, order receipts, and any repair or support case, numbers to reference in the claim. Open the Apple Support app or go to Support. Apple.com and sign in with your Apple ID, then choose your device. Choose Siri, software, or hardware depending on symptoms. This routes your claim correctly. Attach the recordings, screenshots, receipts, and serial number. Label files clearly so reviewers see chronology. Explain steps you took. Restart, update iOS, reset Siri. This shows you attempted fixes. Once submitted, note the case number and expected response window so you can follow up if needed. When Apple responds, review remedies. Remote fix, repair, replacement, or refund, accept what matches your loss. If Apple asks for more info, reply promptly with extra logs or a step-by-step reproduction so they can verify the bug. If the claim is denied, request escalation to a senior specialist and provide additional evidence or consumer protection references if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if devices must be reset, back up first. Make sure you follow Apple's exact restore steps to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.